this train's a Bricklin. First time running on its own in more than 30 years. So I'm gonna cut it off, check the fluids once again, especially the antifreeze coolant level, because I want to let it run. All right, so primed the 2-barrel carburetor. It's a Ford Motorcraft. There's the choke set, pretty good. 9,000 original miles on this 351 Windsor. And I talked my friend into getting a 4-barrel intake for it. He told me he's got a high rise. I said, well, we'll cut it and weld it back together. Anyway, he said, the power steering. He said, Archer, there's something wrong with power steering. I said, okay, I'll check it out. So I see the belt. The belt is off. Well, wait a minute. The belt is on and it's loose. Okay, so I'm gonna have to tighten that up. So I'm gonna check out everything, all the fluids. Said the brake fluid is leaking or losing, and he doesn't know where it's going. I suspect it's going into the master cylinder right here behind it. So I might have to pull that off apart and see if there's any fluid in between them. The oil check okay yesterday. It's a little overfull. Other than that, everything's intact. Little TLC, and this car will be up to par. Then I'll work on the headlights. We had a bad storm this week from Hurricane Debbie coming up from Florida, and it hit us pretty hard so far here in North Carolina. Just some tornadoes and a lot of rain. All right, this is Archer. Talk to you later. Over now.